pure research, and pure research basically called basic research and fundamental research. We can call pure research is a basic research and fundamental research. And the main focus of pure research is that improve scientific theories. You can see here improve scientific theories and improve understanding or predictions of natural or other phenomena. That means finally we can say that pure research called basic and fundamental research, and the main aim to improve scientific theory of pure research. Okay, and next we can explain pure research as well as like pure research focus on answering basic questions such as how do gas behave. That means you can see here also pure research is of the what is this and how does it work variety. That means fundamental research basically main focus only gathering knowledge about unknown object. Just for example, so in this line you can see here pure research is of the what is this and how does it work. That means कि when your life, that means in your life when you see first time any object, at that time in your mind had many more questions came like that. You see any vehicle first time, that time raise your mind many more questions. What is this and how does it work? That means gathering only knowledge about particular object, not a practical. And you can see this image, and in this image you can see here a object. In this object, and after looking this object in your mind have came many more questions like that. What is this? What is this? And how does it work? That means what is this and how does it work? And you have got answer like hand vehicle. What is this? This is a hand vehicle and how does it work? And somebody pulling this and this is the answer. That means in pure research, and pure research mainly focus on how, what is this and how does it work. That means कि first time you watch anything and your mind came many more questions and what is this and how does it work. That means this is a part of the pure and fundamental basic research. Second example of pure research is that here you can see and mention here very clearly research is of the what is this and how does it work. How does it work variety. Earlier history of chemistry contains many examples. The ancient Greek and philosophers debated the compositions of matters, and that means कि earth, air, fire, water. Here clearly mentioned here earth. What is this earth? What is air? What is fire? And came many more questions in your mind. And finally your mind find out the one not going to do anything but their knowledge. They just want to know about. Not a practical, just want to know about what is this air, what is water, what is earth, like that. I think you got this point pure research. And finally I want to say that you and the pure research is that fundamental basic research also called, but the main purpose of basic and fundamental research is that find out what is this and how does it work, not a practical, only know about any object कि what is this and how it work, only that's it.